Hello, today I will talk about package JSON in Angular. So, as we know, with every project, there is one configuration file that is associated with it. So, let me show you which file I'm talking about. So, as you can see, this is an Angular project which has these file structures, which has these files. So, we have one package JSON file in which we have all the packages that are installed in that. So today we will discuss means how it works, what is included in this file. So let me give you overview of this. So in this it is important file in Angular project. It is to set up project in workspace. It contains directives like name, version, dependency, scripts, etc. So it includes information like name, what's the project name, what is the version of project, and what are the scripts to run the project, and what are dependencies installed in that, and what are the development dependencies. So these are basically dependencies used in the development, and these are the other dependencies. And whenever we build a project using npm, we need to provide a package JSON file. So whenever we are building this project, whenever we are running this project, so in that case we need this package JSON file. So what we have first, so first we have is the dependencies. This dependencies and their dependencies are the core part of this project. So let me check. So first is dependencies. So in the dependencies we have some dependencies like these are required at the runtime. The packages listed in the dependency section of packages is required for running application. The dependency contain Angular packages. So as you can see here, in the dependencies we have Angular packages. So these are the by default packages that are installed in this file. So when you create a new project, then these packages will show you, will by default installed in your project. Now what we have, to add an entry in your package JSON dependencies, you can run this command. So means you can add just to add the dependency, what you need to do, you need to run the command npm install and package name, whatever the package name is there. Let me show you. Second is wait, I will show you after give you explanation of all the different types of dependencies. So second is basically depth dependencies. So it includes modules only required during development, such as node-born. So if you have worked on the main project and the node project, then you know then about the node-born. So node-born is basically used to run the node project. So means whatever the dependency we required for the development, so in that case we use these packages. So those packages you will install on dev dependencies. So as you can see here the command is little different. So here we need to add this flag npm I save dev, or this npm I d. So this is an example. So as we know, we use in ESLint also for development purpose. So we can add this in the dev dependencies file. So this is an invalid command. So you need to give package name with the mem install. So these are dependencies. Then next is we have dev dependency. Then we have name. In this you can declare a project name. So as I already show you in the file. What is version? In this you can maintain the version of the application, like 0, like as you can see here the version is written, so you can write here 0.0.1, 0.0.2. so you can maintain the version also. So next is how you can generate the package JSON file. So means this I have talked about the package JSON in the Angular project. Now I will talk about how you can generate this package JSON file. So the package JSON file is present at every project, like in Node project, in React project. So whichever framework, whichever library you use, so in that this project is present at that time. This file is present at that time. So to generate package JSON file in your system, you must have Node npm installed in it. To generate package JSON file, your system must have Node. Okay, so if you want to generate any package JSON file, so what do you have? So you must have Node present in your system. So you can check Node here. So Node is installed in my system, as you can see here. So now you can create their package JSON file. So by using this command, you can create a new project or package JSON file. So let me show you. So run this command on the project where you want to create a project. So as you can see here, we can run this command here. So what it will do, it will ask some things like package name. You can skip that, you can skip the version, you can write the version whatever you want to add. If you want to add description, you can add the description here. You can add the entry point, like which is the main file, or from where we can run the project. So these are things they generally ask. Means this is all project information. So now we have the now as we can see, it created a package JSON file here. Let me show you. So it created a package JSON file which has this basic default keys, basic default directives. Now you can add the dependencies, whatever you want to add. So to directly create this file, what you need to do, you need to add this flag only, npm init by. Let me show you that. So it directly creates a project file, and it does not ask these things. So just create all those things by default, and means later you can edit all those things. Later you can edit all those things. So this is the package JSON file that I already showed you. So let me show you some other things. So package JSON, the CLI command ng creates a package JSON file. When it creates the new workspace, the package JSON is used by all projects in workspace, including the initial app project that is created by the CLI when it creates the workspace. So now I will add the dependency in the dependency section, not in depth dependency. So let me show you. Open the project. So here it is, our project. So let me show you with the ESLint command. So this dependency we need in the depth dependency. So how we can install this dependency? Let's see here. So currently the dependency is not available here, so let me add that dependencies here. We just need to add this command also with that. Why this debugger is running? Let me stop that. How this added? Okay, let me start again. Now let me add the command here. So now it will add the dependency in the dev dependencies. Now if you see, so here we have ESLint package in the dev dependencies. Now you can use this package for development. Means you can install any package here. Let me add one more point here. Suppose you want to add any version like that, so how you can do that? So what you need to do, you need to run this command npm install and package name and whatever the version you want to install, version number. So if you want to install this Angular animation 7.2.0, then you need to just replace it with this string. So with that you can easily identify all those things. So now let me tell you some more things about the package JSON file. So what we have here, this file is used as a manifest storing information about application, modules, packages and more. So as I already told you, this is all about the project, whatever you are working on. So this is the command I have told you to instantly initiate the project. To install the packages of these, whatever the packages are available, you need to run this command npm install. If you want to install all these packages, suppose in many cases when you push the code on GitHub, you do not push the node modules folder. So to set up the project, what you need to do, you first need to check is there a package JSON or not. If package JSON is available, then you need to run this npm install command. In that case, then you can easily set up your project. Set up a project. Thanks guys for watching.